to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Either way, I am so excited you are here. I hope you're ready for some cleaning motivation, and let's get started.
Move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been to places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
Stay tuned for a blooper, because after I was done cleaning this toilet, I cleaned the toilet brush and some waters just splashed off of it, and it was so gross and ew.
'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating.
There are always some people commenting on my videos that they want to see the trash take out, and so if you're one of them, this is for you. And I know we still need a new trash can, but I just don't care. Although I must say that this one doesn't fit the interior, doesn't fit our style. So if I find a new one, I'm going to buy it.
We have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can't go on again. 'Cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My
I'm sorry for the lightning in this clip. It's just that when I'm cleaning, I don't care to close the curtain all the way down, but then when I'm editing the video, I always see that, oh damn, I should have closed it, so I really need to do that next time.
Flashing light keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
I have a lot of mopping systems to clean my floors, but I love the spray mop for when I don't have a lot of time to mop the floors. But what is your favorite way to do it? Let me know in the comments down below.
Lonesome dripping, 'cause we're spending the night, and it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish way to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we
I'm just going to let this product sit in the toilet while I'm cleaning the rest of the bathroom, and come back to the toilet after all the rest is done, so that the product can really work and I don't have to scrub as much.
needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track,
I am scrubbing everything down with this sponge and a bucket filled with water and all-purpose cleaner. So I'm constantly cleaning the sponge and the bucket, and I'm cleaning all the way from clean to dirty. So I start with the mirrors and end with the toilet.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, 'cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk, 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. The sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on, 'cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this.
We are slowly getting towards the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope you stick around for more. So hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. You would do me a great favor by doing that, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!
Knowing it's a risk, 'cause you're using